Once upon a time, in a charming village, nestled at the foot of the towering mountains, lived a young boy named Hero. Hero was known for his boundless energy and big dreams. He wanted to become a great explorer and discover the secret hidden within the highest peaks. Every day, Hero would look at the majestic mountains, imagining the adventures that awaited him. But there was one problem. Between him and the mountains lay a dense, dark forest filled with thorn bushes, steep cliffs, and wild animals. Hero's friend often told him that it was impossible to cross the forest. They warned him of the dangers and tried to dissuade him from his dream. Friend 1 concerned, Hero, it's too dangerous. You will never make it through the forest. Friend 2 worried, yeah, why don't you stay here and play with us instead? Hero looks at his friends, then back at the forest, determination growing in his eyes. But Hero was not one to give up easily. He knew that obstacles were a part of every great adventure. One morning, with his backpack ready and heart full of courage, Hero set off towards the forest. The journey was tough. Hero stumbled and fell many times. The path was treacherous, and at a time he felt like turning back. But with each step he grew stronger and more determined. He learned to find his way, to adapt and to push forward despite the difficulties. Along the way, Hero discovered that the forest was not just a place of obstacles, but also of unexpected beauty and new friends. He helped a baby deer that was trapped, and in return the deer showed him a hidden path through the forest. After days of perseverance, Hero finally emerged from the forest. Standing at the base of the mountains he had dreamed of, the challenges he faced had prepared him for the climb ahead. He realized that the obstacles were not meant to stop him, but to strengthen him and teach him valuable lessons. With renewed confidence, Hero began his ascent step by step. He climbed higher, overcoming each hurdle with the skills and resilience he had gained in the forest. And when he finally reached the summit, the view was more beautiful than he had ever imagined. Hero standing proudly at the mountain top, smile on his face as the sun sets behind him. Hero's journey taught him that obstacles are not just barriers, but opportunities to grow and become stronger. They are the stepping stones to achieving our dreams. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us on Hero's Adventure. Remember, every challenge you face is a chance to learn and grow. So keep pushing forward and never give up on your dreams. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring videos. Until next time, keep climbing those mountains.